DIY trip to Beitou and Tamsoy. Tara, alis tayo! It's very easy going to Beitou and Tamsoy. It's just a train ride away from where I'm staying at Simending. So in my case, I have two options. Pwedeng from Simin Station, I can ride the Green Line or the Songshan Sindian Line, or the Blue Line, which is Banan Line. And then I just have to transfer to the Red Line, yung Tamsoy Sinyi Line. Okay, kailangan yung bumaba sa Beitou Station and then you have to transfer to Shin Beitou Station. Ayan, meron namang direction doon sa loob ng MRT, so madali lang naman siyang sundan. Ang nakakatuwa dito guys, merong dedicated na train line just for Beitou District. Fun fact nala about Shin Beitou Line, it is constructed for the purpose of tourism development sa Beitou District. So, Beitou District kasi is known for its hot springs and hot spring resorts. Yung mga hot spring resorts na yun, nag-start pa siya nung time na ang Taiwan is under the colony of Japan. Diba ang mga Japanese, they love yung mga onsen, ganyan, hot spring. So, yung Beitou, since meron dong thermal valley, they develop a lot of hot spring resorts in the area. So, makikita nyo dito, no, sa train pa lang, meron ng parang interactive na TV inside the train. It explains yung history about Beitou, mga places to go, foods to try. So, nakakatawa na parang the train itself is conditioning you already kung ano yung makikita mo dun sa air. So we're here at Shin Beitou Historic Center. This is free admission, so visitors can come in here to learn more about yung train system and railway system sa Shin Beitou way back then. So makikita dito yung itsura nung dati nilang train terminal, nung railways nila, yung mga lumang trains, mga relics and remnants noon, makikita nyo rin dito. Tapos, if you're like me who is into collecting stamps in Taiwan, meron ditong area where you can collect Beitou stamps. So, naglalakad tayo papuntang Beitou Park. By the way, guys, if you're coming in here, avoid Mondays kasi usually pag Monday, sarado most establishments.
May Carrefour dito. So, maglalakad lang tayo, diretso lang. Uuwi sa the museum. So, okay. So, currently, we are here. Tapos, punta tayo sa park. So, yung Hot Spring Museum. Tapos, last yung thermal palace sa dulo. So, we walk inside the park instead of sa labas para at least explore din natin kung anong meron dito. Ganda.
So we're now here at Beitou Hot Spring Museum. It is just a few walks away from the Beitou Library. So makikita nyo no, na nandito lang siya sa likod ng library, and then Few walks lang, tapos yun ang museum. So, pagpasok nyo, you have to remove your shoes and wear these cute slippers. Tapos, you can explore the area na mapapansin nyo dun sa tsura ng bathhouse, very reminiscent siya of Japanese design. Tapos, same with the architecture, very Japanese inspired kasi nga this is established nung time na under the colony of Japan ang Taiwan. Tapos makikita nyo rin dun sa area, merong tatami, may malaking tatami where people can relax. Also, this is formerly known as the largest bathhouse in East Asia. So we're now walking papunta ng Thermal Valley. Based on Google Maps, it's around 500 meters walk. Malapit lang naman siya, but may uphill kasi, so reminder lang sa mga hindi masyadong mahilig maglakad.
Nakita niyo tong highlight? Go straight there. There. That's the Thermal Valley. Highlight ang palatandaan. We are at Tamsoy. Ang ganda, guys.
So we're here at Tamsoy. From Bay 2, sumakay lang tayo ulit ng MRT and bumaba tayo sa Tamsoy Station. So, samahan niyo ako na explore tong area na to. We're here at Tamsoy Park and ang daming tao dito ngayon, guys. Ang daming mga locals na nagbabonding, tapos nag-food trip din sila. Kasi malapit to dun sa Tamsoy Old Street. Sorry kasi hindi ko na siya na-videohan kasi ang daming nangyayari kanina. But yeah, here we are and we'll explore the area. By the way, Tamsoy is one of the oldest settlements in Taiwan. It was also influenced heavily by the Spanish and Dutch colonizers. Kaya mapapansin nyo, di ba, yung train station, puro red bricks, very dominant yun sa Spanish architecture.
So pretty, guys. Ayan yung Valley Bridge over there. So, andito ko sa park sa Tamsoy. Grabe. Sana maraming din ganito sa Pilipinas, no? Sayang kasi yung ganda ng Pilipinas. Look at that. This unobstructed view.
Few moments later.
Ito na nga, diba nasa park tayo kanina. So, walk-walk tayo doon. Napunta tayo dito sa wharf. kung saan nandun yung ticket booth at nakita natin na may ferry. So sabi kasi nila, minsan sarado yun. So sabi ko, ay, na-check ba natin na may ferry? So go, sundan na tayo and now we're ready to go. Ayun. Ito yung panahon na pinagsisisihan ko kung tama ba na sumakay ako kasi sobrang lamig.
Valley Island. Okay, let's explore the area for a bit. And then, let's see kung anong meron dito. Oh, yung mura ng milk tea. Alam nyo ba na hindi pa ako nag-milk tea since I came here? Pero baka nga dito pa ako mauna mag-milk. Yung shin-food hindi ko pa natatry. Na hopefully matry ko naman before I go home. Yeah. Oh my God, hipon. Wait.
이런 거 오징어 캔런데.
Okay, punta tayo sa main street to see kung ano ba ang meron dito. Alam niyo, gusto ko ng sabaw. Gusto ko ng soup, noodles. Kasi ang lamig, guys. Ayan. Noodles. Oh my God. May squid. 80 lang yun. Ano to? Joke ba to? Banda muna tayo sa main street. Tapos, tingnan natin ng mga food. Okay, this is the main street of Bali Island. Then, okay, baba tayo ulit. Hanap tayo ng soup. Sopas. Ano ba? Ano tawag doon? Noodle soup? Kasi sobrang lamig. As in. And parang walang Pilipino dito. Ang kasabay ko kanina sa ferry, Koreans. Tapos, I think mga locals. So, wish me luck. May insurance naman po ako. Kung mapano man ako today. There. May rice nila soup. Curry rice.
Bumalik tayo dito sa restaurant kung kita natin kanina. Mostly locals yung natin. Actually, wala masyadong oras. Ito yung nabili ko.
This is 80 NTD.
So maglalakad-lakad lang tayo saglit and then we'll go back to the main island and then and go home. If umabot ka dito, please do subscribe and follow me on my socials. And I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye!